Okay, this is part
Ano ba yan? Kanina pa kasi.
2. It's part 2 of eating pancit noodles at 3 a.m. I mean 9 a.m. actually because it's nighttime. I already told you that in the last video. But hey, let us get this here. This right here.
Nakuwag ba na sa damit na lang bias ko na.
I know.
You want to take a nap? Small bowl.
Yeah, and then let's try it.
Lapit mo lang.
It's so hot. It's amusedly hot. My mommy is using chopsticks because she's a grown-up. My daddy's using a spoon because we only have one chopstick. And I am using a fork.
Don't make any mess.
This is better with some rice.
Look, oh.
Oh, sorry.
Ito pa na.
We're doing a vlog. It's not healthy. The food that you have eaten is not healthy.
Help me ubus this because I can't ubus this in one go. Of course, it's so vlog like this.
Oh.
Ooh, headshot.
I already brushed my teeth.
Me too. But mommy, it's mommy's idea to do it. It's so hot.
Dami pala yung dalawa na.
Yeah.
Ito pala isa lang. Naku, kamay.
It's good. Guys, you should definitely not do this. You should not eat things at 9 a.m. but 9 p.m.
Toy.
We're eating some noodles.
Wow.
Kain.
Sige.
Pancit Canton.
Order ka pizza, Toy.
Science favorite. Pancit Canton.
Order ka pizza. Meron ba dito, te? Sa Saragosa? Meron dito eh.
We're the only one who's awake from the village.
Ano? Play tayo, Toy. Toy. Let's play, Toy. Na, punasan na yun, sir? Ah, ganito ko.
Roblox. Sorry, I don't use cell phone at 9 a.m. I mean 8. I don't use it because my mom said. But I'm just
9
vlogging. That's it.
p.m. That's the rules.
Papagalitan ka
beyond.
na, Toy.
When it's beyond 9 p.m., you're not allowed. 8 maybe. You're not allowed to use cell phone.
I'd eat. But since there's no rules yet,
Palo, G.
go naman si Jan.
Why?
I want some carrots. Carrots is yummy. Like, can you give me some more carrots?
I don't know.
Let me show you. Wow.
Ayaw ko na, kuya.
Then let's save this para tomorrow.
Ayaw mo na? Ay, pagagas ba? Batakay.
I like it, but I can't ubus it, so can you help me? I want chopsticks. I want to try one
Sa
chopstick.
isa pang egg pa. Grabe.
I want egg as well. It's kind of yummy. long night and we'll extend them. This video is sponsored by noodles.
Magpa-schedule na ako na ano kuya?
Na
Ano sa passport?
passport.
Oo. Nakalimutan ko. Di ba sa Malolos yun?
Ganun.
This is like this.
Ano pa kailangan mo kuya? Kaya wala na trabaho, di ba? Okay na naman yun.
Ano mo, yung
Can I have the one without the...
ano?
Ito.
I registrated ka
Let me
ba?
try it.
Dad, tapos ano?
Anong registration?
Yung sa school ka?
Ano lang, alam mo yung ID lang yung ano ko eh.
Dad, I want
Okay lang yan.
milk.
Tapos isang ID pa.
I want milk too. Just kidding. Oh, but I will try.
Wala
Try na
kang
siyang breast
tal
milk na.
ID?
Wala akong balot
Sabi
pa eh.
nila,
Kuha ako postal ID.
kakaano lang.
Kaya kang pasal.
Kaka... Labit lang.
It's giving our men a rush. Let us drink some milk because this is unhealthy.
Ilang days ba yung makukuha yung postal ID kaya?
Parang 17.
Ayaw mo na ng egg?
Remember, you're in a different country. It will not be nighttime. Because sometimes it's gonna be nighttime
Nag-toothbrush na ako.
when it's different countries. Please be careful. Or maybe this is gonna be a night and you're gonna thought the moon is when to wake up and the sun is when to sleep, like mixed over. So please don't try to copy this. Yeah.
Oh, careful! Bakit nag-agas ka?
Let mom, I'm gonna eat them. Time to use
Ayaw mo na ng egg?
special power. Yes, I don't want.
Isang tray na ito?
Hindi, di ba nabasagan niya ng apat?
Ah,
Pinailan ang dalawa. May tatlong basag.
ilang piraso ba yun? Sa 30 yun?
Ako lang.
Ilang pa yun?
It's already so late, even though it's still 9.
Kaya mo na yan?
Yeah. This is already 9:49, so it's almost 10. But let's see if I can use this. Power time.
Naku, malaki.
Five na to.
Power G.
Ma, why did you buy everything just for milk? Like milk?
I have to try this.
Yeah. Milk is good for you, so let's eat it.
Ako din try. Drink a lot of water, ha? Kasi it's...
Yeah, you just definitely drink a lot of water. At or milk time. Hindi.
Paakit na ba yun? Kasi it's already night.
It's already 9:59.
Mag-wash na guys. Diba yummy? Very good season.
See, my mouth is like. almost said I'm gonna end the video. That's it for the stock one. Ma, look at this. I almost did it. Don't worry, man. It can wash away all of the germs. This is it.
It's okay if you cannot ubus it. Yung water na yan.
Ma, I'm so full of drinking.
Tama na yan.
Only a little bit naman. Only a little bit of water kasi I drink milk.
Tapos mag-wash your hands. Ako na ang magpunas dyan sa mouth.
It's kind of good, the milk. Okay, done. I'm full. When I'm back, let's end the video. I'm gonna do my new ultra as well. I'll do a new ultra. Okay guys, after I brush teeth na lang. I see my teeth, so that's good. This will be brush my teeth in a place. Before we end the video, I'll just show you my snack collection. Okay, yan. Okay, I'll show you my snack collection. Show you. I think you're pretty bad and you want to get some snacks from me, but here it is. See this? There's so many snacks. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, guys, I hope you like this video. If you did, especially, let's get down to the usual. Do this. It's like it's subscribe video. Okay, that's not on YouTube. I was kidding. There's no on YouTube. Bye.